We say words without purpose, without thinking about the impact they may have on others. We should be very careful about the words that we use with friends, our family, and our loved ones, even to strangers, because a thought can lead to a change. A whisper can inspire hope. A touch can instill faith, but only if we understand this. And I think that's great. I think there need to be more books, more things written like this, and speaking to the heart and soul of humans. And Mian did this. And as I'm sure you all know, he's an incredible writer, wonderful actor, wonderful speaker. He's a self-promoter. He's a publicity genius. Anyway, Missing, Mian Mohsen Zia. Great book. Really interesting story about a man who finds a woman who has disappeared into the system, and the tracking that he does, the people that he meets are all very flavorful characters in this book, and he wraps it up quite beautifully. So I'm proud to say that I'm a friend of Mian, and he's a friend to me. Okay, run out there and get that book. It's great. Bye-bye now.
This gentleman, people might know him in Pakistan. He's a face known to millions around Pakistan. But to me, he's a dear, dear, dear darling to me, because I didn't
personally feel whenever I was interacting with him that he was always there on the right. And that is his credential, that he would never come up with something which is not right, which is not based on merit.
This is Spin Gym by American superstar Forbes Riley. Let's Spin Gym. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Ooh. Like this way. Parisa, this way. Wind it. And now try to do this. See,
It's amazing.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। सबसे पहले तो मैं अपने कायद मियाँ मोहम्मद नवाज शरीफ साहब का शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ कि उन्होंने लाहौर को एक तवज्जो दी, और बिलखुसूस लाहौर के ऊपर उन्होंने एक जो नई क़यादत है उसको यहाँ पे वो लेके आए हैं।
अब हम सब ने इस बात का वादा करना है कि हमने पहले से भी ज़्यादा अवाम की खिदमत करनी है।
बहुत बिल्कुल सही।
Hi, this is Mian Mohsen Zia. I would like to present a personal special exclusive copy of Missing to this gentleman. People might know him in Pakistan. He's a face known to millions around Pakistan. But to me, he's a dear, dear, dear darling to me, because I really love him from deep inside my heart. He is respected Mr. Khwaja Ahmad Hassan Sahab, and he's one of those fine gentlemen and politicians particularly, who actually has morals, ethics, and he works on merit. So I personally love him very much, and personally presenting him this copy of Missing with a special mention inside the book. So this is for you, Khwaja.
Thank you.
Say something.
Thank you. I'm really obliged with Mian Mohsen. He himself is a gem of a person, very clean and honest man. And I personally feel whenever I was interacting with him that he was always there on the right. And that is his credential, that he would never come up with something which is not right, which is not based on merit. So I'm really obliged that he's appreciated the rightness, and he believes in truth, and that is his credibility. I wish him all the best and hope and pray that he has a very bright career, and he'll have a brighter career ahead of him also, inshallah.
Thank you so much, Gauri sir.
Thank
so
you,
much.
sir.
Thank you. Now this is something that has come from Hollywood. This is Spin Gym by American superstar Forbes Riley. And I'm going to present, being the brand ambassador of Spin Gym, I would like to present this complimentary Spin Gym to respected Mr. Khwaja Ahmad Hassan Sahab. So, Khwaja
Thank
Sahab,
you.
this is,
Thank you very much.
let me open it for you. This is Spin Gym, and it's a pocket size rocket. You can spin it and you can just like, it will work around all your muscles in any direction. Just sitting even on wheelchair, anywhere, any person from any age range can work this Spin Gym. Please try it with me. Try it with me. I'm going to do it. Just 1 second. Hold this out like this way. Like, wind it up, wind it. Yeah, keep doing it. Yeah. Now try it like this way. Once it gets winded, let me give it to you. Let me give mine to you. Just 1 second. Okay, you hold this one. And I'm gonna wind that. Just 1 second. Wind it. It works around all your muscles. Now, that's Spin Gym. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Ooh. Like this way. What is up this way? It's not winding up. Just 1 second. I'll do it again for you. Just 1 second. Let me wind this one.
Come on.
Okay, now hold this one. Hold this one.
Thank you.
Please.
Come on.
Just roll it, wind it. And now try to do this. See,
It's amazing.
It's amazing. Just try to. I think it's not getting winded up properly. But
No,
anyways,
it's amazing.
it's amazing.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.